Here is a conversation between two friends about their hobbies. Let's have this conversation together. I will say the blue lines and you will say the green lines. Let's begin. Hi, what are you doing? Yes, I love gardening. I spent a lot of time taking care of my plants. What do you like to draw? I have flowers like roses and marigolds and some vegetables like tomatoes and carrots. Do you draw every day? I water the plants every morning and on weekends I do the weeding and planting. Have you ever tried gardening? That's a good idea. Cactus are easy to take care of. Do you ever show your drawings to others? My mom uses them to cook meals. It feels great to eat something you grew yourself. Have you ever painted or do you stick to sketching? I love sunflowers. They're so bright and cheerful. What's your favorite thing to sketch? That's so creative. You should make a comic book someday. That's a great idea. Hobbies are so fun to share. I'd love that. Let's talk more about our hobbies soon. See you! Could you follow the conversation? If not, let's start from the beginning again. If yes, let's proceed to the next video.